Sise Albert Park, local my Monkey Gang, and live. We're here for Ingoma Yezituteni. We're here with a beautiful lady. Sawubona kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila ngikhuluma nobani?
Ngikhuluma noKagiso kancane.
Where are you from, my love?
Potchefstroom.
Potchefstroom. Ungitshele, what are you doing in Durban? Are you studying as well?
Yes, I'm studying at DUT.
Okay. Where are you studying?
DUT.
DUT.
Yes.
Ufundani? You don't want to say. You're not proud.
I am.
Your parents made you choose that career stream.
No.
But why wouldn't you say?
No, let me not disclose my
Okay,
career.
that's fine. That's fine.
thank you.
Uphatheke kanjani namhlanje la kwingoma echudeni?
Ngiphatheke kahle. It was my first time attending Maskandi events, right? So nje ngiphatheke kahle kakhulu bekumnandi. Yize kunomoya kunedust
Yeah, it was windy.
but yeah ngiphatheke kahle.
Manje awumthola ngumfana la oyedwa nje.
No, angifuni.
Awufuni?
No.
Siyabonga. Can you mention one artist that you enjoyed watching perform?
Yo, Tencane. Yo.
Tencane. And ukhoka kahle Tencane. Bagqokiswa kwebhinqa.
Yo, ngimthandile Tencane.
Thank you very much for talking to us, my love.
Yeah, kakhulu.
Hey,